this segment, I'm going to show you how to create a very basic eyeshadow look. Okay, I've poured 3 of my favorite eyeshadows here in our wonderful little trays. I'm starting with Sugar Hill on the lid of my entire eye. I'm gonna take Tanzania and I'm gonna apply it right under my brow bone. And once I do it there under my brow bone, as far as it extends out to the outer part of your eye, then I'm gonna fill it in from the inner edges and connect it. I'm not gonna take the color all the way through, just halfway through my eye, underneath the brow bone and halfway through my eye. So now I'm gonna take the slanted brush and I'm gonna take Serenity and I'm gonna use it as my eyeliner. Now you could either use it dry and it'll give you a beautiful line, but if you wet it, you will get more definition. I like to take my same bottle, mist my angled brush, dip it in Serenity, and it becomes a perfect eyeliner. It gives you a perfect line, perfect definition, like if it was liquid. The last step to make sure, if you're like me and you're not an expert and doing multiple shades of eyeshadow actually is a bit intimidating, and I completely understand, don't be afraid because we have these beautiful brushes that kind of look like a little, like a little fluff. These are the ones you want to use. There's 2 of them in the kit that would work. And all you do is you blend. You blend, you blend, you blend your colors and your lines. And so this way you will look like a pro and you won't have these harsh lines that don't bleed into each other.